Hi, today we are going to discuss vocabulary in context question in reading comprehension. So, in reading comprehension of the TOEFL test, you will sometimes be asked to determine the meaning of a difficult word or expression, a word or expression that you do not know. To answer a vocabulary question, of course, it is helpful if you know the meaning of the word itself. However, it is not always necessary for you to know the meaning of the word. Often there are skills that you can use to help you find the correct answer to the question, because the passage often gives you a clear indication of what the word or expression means. So to answer vocabulary question, there are 3 skills you need to develop. First, finding definitions from structural clues. Second, determining meanings from word parts. And the last is using context clues to determine meanings. But today we are going to focus on point number 3. I give you an example about how to answer a vocabulary question using context clues. So a line in the passage here, she has a large geranium growing in a pot in the corner of her apartment. And the question is, a geranium is probably which of the following? Let's just say you don't know what a geranium is. You don't know what it means. If you read the context here, a large geranium growing in a pot. So, what is growing in a pot? Is it a sofa, a chair, a fish, or a plant? So the only one answer that's suitable for this question is, of course, a plant. So how to identify vocabulary question? Usually the question is like this. What is the meaning of X in line 2? X is a word here. The second, the word X in line 3 is closest in meaning to, and the word X in line 4 could best be replaced by. So these are the questions that usually appear to ask you about vocabulary. Now, where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. And how to answer the question? First, find the word or expression in the passage by scanning the keyword. In the previous example about geranium, so geranium is the keyword, and find that word in the text. And when you have found it, read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Unlike main idea questions, you have to read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Look for context clues to help you understand the meaning. And the last, choose the answer that the context indicates. So here's an example. The word pigment in line 2 is closest in meaning to. Let's see line 2. This is line 1 and line 2. If the question is in line more than 5 or 10, use this to help you. This is line 5. Okay, so let's get back to line 2. Pigment, where is it? There you go. The pigment. And then the second step is read the sentence carefully. The pigment that colors the eyes. So as you see here, a pigment is something that gives your eyes color. So what gives your eyes color? Is it skin, muscle, tissue, or color itself? Of course, the answer is color. The second example for the question is, the word permanent in line 8 could best be replaced by, line 8 is line 5, 6, 7, 8. Permanent. Now let's read the sentence that contains permanent. A person's permanent eye color. So it is at this point that a baby's eyes develop the color they will have for a lifetime. So permanent means something that you get for a lifetime. It means forever. So the best answer to this question is lasting. It means forever or a lifetime. That's it. Thank you for your attention, and if there are any questions, if there are some questions, you may type the question in our group discussion. Thank you very much. Goodbye.